Okay, this is the build out 2017 Roadtrek refitment. Made a permanent bed, took out the electric sofa, 500-pound drawer slide, and it's rated to all of that. So there's a lot more storage. The full length, lock in, lock out. And then we also moved the side plug here. It was off the 30-volt amp. It was down mounted underneath the bumper. Also, the city water was mounted down in under the bumper. Broke off twice. Moved it to here, up out of the way, 2 inches higher and way further inboard. And then we took out the old RV sink with the glass top and the little dinky faucet. Oh, sorry. And put in IKEA. You just barely have to trim it. And we put in this faucet that you can access from outside. Rinse off your shoes, whatever. And then modified a IKEA cutting board she got so that it fits in the same spot. There we go. Covers that. And then installed a Lagun table. Repaired all these overhead cabinets, essentially rebuilt them. And then a 3/4 inch 13 ply Baltic Birch Lagun table with epoxy resin top. And now permanent bed with storage, shoe storage. That is she wanted everything. And repaired the bathroom door and made a magnetic catch on it to hold it open. And I think that's mostly what we did. Oh, also installed a 4-camera dash cam with side cams, front cam, and back camera.